How to raise your credit score 100 points. If your credit score is under 650, you're probably overpaying for everything: your car, your insurance, maybe even your rent. The good news? Raising your credit score 100 points is completely possible, and today I'm going to show you exactly how. This is not a gimmick. This is strategy. One of the best options for young adults is becoming an authorized user on a family member's credit card. This strategy allows you to benefit from their established credit history without being solely responsible for payments. Choose a family member who maintains a good credit score and makes timely payments. As their positive credit behavior reflects on your credit report, you can start building your own score. Can you really raise it 100 points? Yes, especially if you're under 680. You have high credit card balances. You have recent late payments. You have errors on your report. Lower scores move faster. If you're at 580, getting to 680 is realistic. If you're at 760, 860 isn't possible. 850 max. Most lenders use the FICO scoring model. Here's what matters most: payment history, 35%, credit utilization, 30%, length of history, 15%, credit mix, 10%, new credit, 10%. To gain 100 points, focus heavily on the first two, step-by-step plan. Step 1. Fix your credit utilization. This is the fastest way. If your credit limit is $1,000 and you owe $800, that's 80% utilization. Goal under 30%, ideal under 10%. Example, $5,000 limit. Keep balance under $500. If possible, pay down balances aggressively. Ask for a credit limit increase without increasing spending. This alone can move your score 20 to 60 points. Payment history is king. One 30-day late payment can drop you 60 to 100 points. If you're behind, get current immediately. Set up auto-pay minimums. If the late payment was recent, call the creditor. Ask for a goodwill adjustment. It works more often than people think. Dispute errors. You are legally allowed to dispute incorrect information. Check your report at annualcreditreport.com. Look for incorrect balances, accounts that aren't yours, late payments reported incorrectly, old collections that should have fallen off. The three bureaus, Equifax, Experian, TransUnion. Disputing errors can add 20 to 100 points if something major is removed. Do not close old accounts. Closing old accounts reduces your credit history, raises your utilization ratio. Keep old cards open unless they have high annual fees. What not to do. Don't open 5 new credit cards at once. Don't max out cards after paying them off. Don't pay for credit repair before trying yourself. Don't ignore collections. Realistic timeline. If you follow this for 30 days, utilization drops. Score can increase 20 to 50 points. 60 to 90 days. Consistent payments. Errors corrected. 60 to 100 point increases possible. Why this matters example. Car loan. 580 score, 12% interest. 680 score, 6% interest. That difference could cost you thousands. Mortgage difference, tens of thousands. Thanks for watching. If you learned anything from this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.